The easiest way to create a variable is to select nothing by hitting Escape and open the Variables panel on the far right. Select the Create Variable button. Select the type of variables you want to create. For now, I'm going to create 2 for numbers, create a Boolean, and create a few for colors. But to create the colors, I'm going to click some existing colors in the canvas. Click the 4 dots in the Fill section, click the plus, click Variables, name it, and there you go. A bit winded that, but that's another method for creating variables. Now to use these color variables, I'll select the artboard, select this primary color, click the dots, select libraries, and tap on my new color. You can tell it's a variable by its gray framing. Nothing fancy going on quite yet. Next, I want to use those number variables. I'm going to use one for the roundness of these icons, and the other I'll use in the size of the icons down below. So just like styles, whenever I want, I can open my variables panel and update these values, and all my designs using these variables will update instantly. Now, variables are neat because those variables can be updated by a variety of methods. An easy way to do that is to tap this plus button and create a new mode for your variable set. This is basically just another set of alternative default values for your variables. I'll quickly update all my variables to another value. Once I do that, if I hit Escape to make sure nothing is selected again, I'll see a new icon next to the page property. This will let me assign which set of variables I want to use in my design. And cool, it's all updated. This is great for reskinning applications quickly, designing a dark mode, or enhanced accessibility mode. Now for some advanced tactics. We'll use these variables in a prototype. Remember the Boolean variables we created and how I mentioned those act as a checkbox? Well, when I click a button up here, I want to change that Boolean to true and make it add an item to the list below. Adding advanced interactivity to a prototype is called adding logic. So I'll select one of my buttons, hit the Prototype tab, add an interaction, on-click, set variable, select our Boolean variable, and set it to true. True in a Boolean is like the checkbox is on. This next panel lets you add even more logic, but for now, this is all we need. Next, I'll go over to one of these line items, right-click on the eye icon, and select my Boolean variable. That Boolean variable is now tied to whatever state the Boolean is in. When the Boolean is false, the layer is hidden, and when it's true, it's visible. And if you remember, when we click this button, it's going to set the Boolean from false to true. That was a lot, so we'll stop here, but there's a ton of features that variables bring to Figma. Cool.